Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of skincare with the NanoSteamer Large 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, a revolutionary device that combines a conventional heating element with an ultrasonic vaporizer to produce nano steam with negatively charged ionic particles, making it up to 10 times more effective in penetrating the skin. This multifunctional beauty and wellness device offers 3 unique modes: a Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, a room humidifier, and a towel warmer, providing ultimate refreshment and convenience for your daily routines. The NanoSteamer comes with a professional 5-piece stainless steel skin kit, perfect for effortlessly removing blackheads and blemishes after your steaming session. Its full-size design features a 200 ml water tank, allowing for 30 minutes of continuous, silent operation, and includes an auto shut-off sensor for safety when the water runs out. With ideal dimensions, it fits comfortably on any countertop or vanity, delivering a professional-grade experience at home. In the box, you'll find the NanoSteamer Facial Steamer, the 5-piece skin kit with a storage pouch, a power cable, and an instruction manual to guide you through your new skincare journey. Experience spa-quality treatment and achieve perfect skin with every use of the NanoSteamer. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.